This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Calgary, Alberta is supposed to get quite a bit of snow on Tuesday and then Wednesday. It's going to be up to 20 centimeters of snow. It's going to fall in Calgary. It's going to be real cold in Calgary. And temperature will be below zero, so the snow will stick onto the ground. People in Calgary, here's my tips. Get your winter tires out. Get your snow tires out. Wear your winter boots and winter jackets and hats and gloves. And the driving will be real bad in Calgary on Monday night into Tuesday. A lot of snow for Calgary Monday night into Tuesday. It's going to be very cold in Calgary Monday into Tuesday. It's going to be snowing outside a lot. It's going up to 10 plus centimeters of snow. Up to 20 centimeters of snow total in Calgary. The power will be knocked out. People in Calgary, be very careful, drive the car, and don't get in the car accident on Monday night and Tuesday, because there will be quite a bit of snow. There will be quite a bit of car accidents in Calgary because a lot of snow is going to hit Calgary on Monday into Tuesday. Take caution. Be extra careful. It's going to be pretty cold outside in Calgary, Alberta. People in Calgary, be prepared. The snow will affect Edmonton as well. Best of luck to you. People in Calgary, be prepared for snow on Monday night and Tuesday. Good luck. And stay safe.